So guys, namhlanje we are with a musician, Mvumi, Ngunano, bekavakatshele isivukile breakfast show. Nano sinembuzo embalwa sifuna ukukubuza yona already.
Okay.
Ne.
Ayizoza nazo. I'm ready.
Amanzi atshisa yini nge-English?
Hey y'all, come look at this.
Boiling water.
Wow.
Okay, abila yini nge-English?
Boiling.
And then amakhaza.
Winter or cold.
Bese frozen.
Nge-English frozen, nge-English frozen.
Bafethu. Ay khona.
Okay, where's ABC ujameleni?
South African Broadcasting Corporation.
This is business.
Hey.
6 plus 7 go 11 namkha go 11.
13.
Sithini isibongo saka Mandela, his surname.
Mandela.
99,000 plus 1 is ngaki?
99,001.
Bayisebenzisa i-Wi-Fi, right?
Yebo.
Wi-Fi ejameleni.
Wireless internet frequency something. I don't know the last I.
What animal is on a 20 rand note?
Axi buffalo. Buffalo, elephant, kudu.
Kudu.
You?
Jesus.
This is shock me.
Angidili nama 20 rand.
Oh.
Dila nama 200.
So what animal is on a 200 rand note?
Nkosi yami. Ayi abona i200 ifuneka ibe ibuffalo because iphethwe ngupresident wethu onguyibuffalo, so must be buffalo. Awubuffalo uku 200.
Gubani ucaptain ama Springboks.
Angimazi uSiya Kolisi, is it still Siya? Is Siya still the captain? I think so. I don't know. I think he still is, yeah.
Who's the most famous Ndebele person you know?
Of course, Ugog, the painter. Aksu Mahlangu.
Name one radio station a broadcaster Ndebele nationally.
Ikwekwezi FM.
Can you complete the sentence? Gukhanya.
Okwekwezi.
Your Jesus, God me, help me.
Between 10 kg Yamaha stones and 10 kg Yamasiba feathers, which one is the heaviest?
Zelingana. Maruwani ngenza so.
How much is the subscription fee SABC Plus?
Kumele ibe free.
Hey.
Yes.
Name the big five.
Yabona sixabane lapho last time. Okay, ibuffalo, ielephant, ilion, ikudu, angazi ukuthi izebra or igiraffe or rhino. Yes.
Nekudu.
Ngaleli hlobo emkhanyweni kulapha kufanele utholakale khona. Ikwekwezi FM kukhanya ba.